Welcome to 华尔街透视 Wall Street Review. In this episode, we are breaking down Google Chrome's skills and the WebMCP protocol, features that signal a move toward an intent-driven command center. 免责声明，本音频视频内容仅用于信息分享与学术探讨，不构成任何投资建议或决策依据。听众在进行投资或职业选择时，应充分考虑自身情况与专业意见。Generative AI tools often suffer from repetition friction. For knowledge workers, this means wasting time re-entering the same complex prompts as they navigate from page to page. Chrome skills solve this. Save a workflow once to execute across multiple tabs. A skill unites an instruction, trigger, and scope. It interacts directly with the document object model, reading page structures to apply instructions automatically and eliminate manual copy-pasting. By integrating these workflows into the browsing fabric, Google is moving the browser away from being a document-centric window and toward being a workstation that automates the user's objectives. Chrome skills serve as the user-facing interface for a wider technical shift, the Web Model Context Protocol, or WebMCP. This protocol focuses on a specific transition. It overlays the visual web, designed for human eyes, with a structured, machine-readable API layer. This machine layer allows software to anticipate user goals, such as summarize or compare, and execute them across disparate web infrastructures without needing a visual interface. Standardizing this interaction is a prerequisite for integrating AI agents into the daily operations of the global economy. To understand the need for WebMCP, we have to look at how legacy AI agents have historically interacted with the web. Most current agents rely on vision-based scraping. The AI takes a screenshot of the page, uses computer vision to find buttons and text, and then simulates mouse clicks. This comparison table shows the inefficiency of that approach. Processing megabytes of images results in low token efficiency. Furthermore, a single pop-up can break the agent's logic. In contrast, WebMCP uses JSON messages, reducing token usage by up to 90%. By combining simple HTML markers with deep JavaScript controls, WebMCP provides a path for every site, from blogs to e-commerce hubs, to become agent-ready. Allowing AI agents to operate within live, authenticated browser sessions creates new security risks. A major threat is indirect prompt injection, where hidden malicious text hijacks the agent to execute unauthorized commands, like sending private data to an attacker. To prevent this, Google uses Model Armor to detect and sanitize malicious prompts before processing. As a final safeguard, sensitive actions like sending an email or creating a calendar event require a manual human-in-the-loop confirmation before the agent can proceed. In this agentic environment, the security perimeter is shifting from the backend server directly into the client-side browser interface. This technical architecture is changing the underlying economics of content distribution on the open web. Most websites today rely on the click and read model. They generate revenue by measuring how long a human eye rests on a page, which triggers advertisements and tracking pixels. WebMCP enables what is known as the zero-click web. In this flowchart, the traditional path through 3 visual pages is bypassed. The browser pulls data through the machine layer using JSON messages, which means visual assets, including ads, are never rendered. The user gets the information they need, but the host site records no visual traffic. For businesses dependent on ad-supported impressions, this creates a scenario where their content is consumed, but their revenue trigger is never pulled. This separation of informational value from visual traffic marks a shift away from the traditional model, where a site's health is measured by human clicks. To adapt, businesses are beginning to move from search engine optimization to AI visibility optimization, or AVO. AVO focuses on making data discoverable for the machine layer. If an agent cannot programmatically extract a site's services or data, that site is effectively invisible to automated workflows. Survival requires adopting WebMCP protocols, enforcing standardized JSON schemas, and exposing capabilities as callable tools. AI models prioritize sites with structured WebMCP tools because these interactions are faster and more reliable than interpreting legacy HTML layouts. Chrome is adopting the capabilities of an operating system, executing tasks across the global web as if it were a single local environment. 总结来说，该系统旨在通过建立机器可读层， 将浏览器重塑为 AI 时代的高效工作站，彻底改变人类与数字信息的交互方式。如果您觉得本期内容对您有启发，欢迎关注视频号华尔街透视，并请您点赞、转发，让更多朋友一起加入讨论。Web data is increasingly consumed by machines rather than humans, making programmatic accessibility the primary requirement for a functional website.